Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel hosting your email subscription. Now the first thing I want you to do to cancel hosting your email subscription, so you can see I cancel it and now they're prompting me again to get another free email. So all you do is come here on the left hand panel, click on billing, here you'll see subscriptions, and let's say for example this one was hosting your email subscription, you'll see auto renewal. You just toggle this one off and then here you click on cancel subscription, as you can see right here, and now auto renewal is off. So we've basically canceled it. If you want a refund, then what you do is you come here to payment history, you take your payment ID, you come and chat with AI, say you want a refund, and then you provide your payment ID as well and you initiate with them. It's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.